I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can see pending Robux on Roblox. So it's pretty simple, but first you want to open up your browser and go to roblox.com. It is basically the official website of Roblox, and once you're over here, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you're in this page, at the top right corner, you can see this little Robux icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you your current Robux balance. Now since I have 0 Robux, it's not showing me anything. In your case, it's going to show you the number of Robux your account has. Click on that. But if you have 0 Robux as me, you can click on my transitions. Once you click on my transitions, it's going to take you inside my transitions. Over here, it's going to show you an option called pending Robux. Now since I don't have any pending Robux, I don't have that option. But if you have pending Robux, it's going to show you pending Robux option. And right beside pending Robux under amount, it's going to show you how many Robux it's pending. And just like this, you can see how many Robux you have pending inside your account. And your pending Robux, you don't have to do anything to claim it. It's going to be claimed automatically after 5 or under 30 days. So don't worry about it. But yeah, you have to come to this place and you're going to see pending Robux option and you're going to see its amount as well. So I hope you understand how we guys can see pending Robux in Roblox. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.